Rolling hills and amber skies, the sun dips low. Windows down an old road that we both know. Rustling leaves and distant fields aglow. In this moment it's just you and me alone. Cows in the pasture graze without a care. Silhouettes against the dusk, a gentle prayer. Cricket chorus rising fills the evening air. Every mile I feel your love everywhere. Driving slow hand in hand through twilight's embrace. Every turn, every bend I can trace your face. In the sunset's glow, your eyes I can't replace. Every road we take is our sacred space. Golden fields stretch far as we roam. Open skies whisper that we're home. Heartbeat steady like a metronome. In your arms I'm never alone. Dusty paths beneath the big wide open sky. We laugh and dream as time goes by, with every star that shines